Testing, testing.
Hello, mic check 1, 2. Hello folks, welcome back. Today is a very exciting day because we are eventually getting some furniture in this living room. You've seen us transform it from start to finish and we are very excited. I'm here, Andrew is here, you're here, what's not to love? And we're ready to get some furniture in, girls.
So without further ado, let's get to it.
What else?
I don't know what much I can.
This is our Loaf squish block sofa and it connects in the centerpiece here. So it has this like chaise longue part on the outside. Did I say that right?
Yeah. I don't know.
Did I say it right? You say it?
Chaise longue?
Chaise longue?
I can't think myself.
We've got this gorgeous chaise longue here. And then this is like a single seater at this side, but obviously the two pieces will connect. So yeah, we've been wrapped up in our dining room for some time. And we're very excited to get these unwrapped. Imagine if we unwrapped it and it had like a hole in or something. Oh, that would just be devastating.
You better not. We can't take it back now. Oh, I'm nervous about even sitting down on it. I don't want to get anything dirty on it. I'm a clean boy.
Oh,
we've not had a sofa for how long?
About 6 months.
Yeah, more than that, I think.
April, May, June, July, August, September, October. 7 months?
7 months and we've not had a sofa at all. Oh my God, I could die here. It's like a marshmallow, it's like a cloud.
Like a cloud?
We are floating on
like
a cloud.
Like a squishy
block,
marshmallow.
like a squishy block. Hello over there.
Hello.
Hi.
We know a lot of people are going to be very scared about the colour because it is light, but we don't have any pets and we're not going to have kids like climbing on it and getting chocolate all over it and things like that. And for when we eat meals and stuff, we're going to be in the dining room.
Yeah.
And look, we got a freebie. So we thought this was like a packet of tissues.
I thought it was.
I thought it was tissues or something to like wipe the sofa down.
I thought it was nuts and bolts to put the thing together.
Let's do a live unboxing and see what it is.
I think it may be a mug. By the look of that.
I think it is a mug. I thought it was tissues, but I think it's going to be a mug because it says it's from Loaf, with love from Loaf. Snug as a bug with a mug. Oh. I do love a rhyme. Oh look, that's really
I love
nice.
that. That's lovely. That.
I like the colour too.
Yeah, that's good. That.
I thought it was going to be like very man vibes, like
like pink and fluffy.
Yeah, and have it like chick on it, Easter chick or something. Very, very good, very nice. I can fit my biscuit in there on a morning.
So here we've got a G-plan sideboard, which is a Danish design, I believe, late 1950s. And basically this is kind of a family heirloom that we've had in our family for about, well, my entire life, so over 40 years. And we just thought it would complement this kind of lounge perfectly. It's teak wood and it's my favourite bit of furniture.
I was kind of like worried about how it would look with the colours and stuff, but I think it fits in quite well.
Yeah.
Because we didn't know whether we were going to keep it in the dining room or if we were going to bring it in here.
Yeah, initially it did spend most of its life in a dining room. That's where we kept all of the Sunday plates, I think, and the silverware. But I think it works quite well in here with the colours and just a good kind of. We'll put our vinyl player on and, like Dan says, a few ornaments, candles and the like to zhuzh it up.
Yes, and it's
But yep, I like it.
very nice. Very, very nice, very nice. Light it in.
Oh, look at that. Lovely.
It's a nice colour brown.
Love a bit of leather.
So basically Andrew's going to build this chair because I've built a chair in the past upstairs, and I think I built it like 3 different ways back to front before I actually got it right. So Andrew's way more technical than me. So he's going to build this chair and I'm going to be the glamorous assistant. I'm probably going to like tighten the screws and stuff and pick things up and then put them back down.
We have the beautiful Debbie McGee. If you're under 35, you will have no idea what I'm talking about. Shall I get on with it?
Yeah, you can get on with that.
I'm going to get on with it.
And I think you're going to do a brilliant job. Hello folks, so we are here in the living room and we still have lots to do, but basically it's been a full week since we did anything because what keeps happening is while we're filming, with it being winter, it's getting dark really quickly in the afternoon. So yeah, we basically started this in summer, so it was light for a lot longer. But now that it's getting to the darker nights, we're kind of running out of time when we're filming and things. But we've got lots to do in the living room today. We've got more dressing to do. We're going to do some cushions. We're going to do the shelf and the little unit over here and show you all the little bits that we've bought for the living room. So we're going to crack on with that now. So yeah,
Let's get to it.
So we basically got a few cushions from H&M and then we went back and ended up getting more because we kind of both have different ideas.
Got more.
What we'll do is we'll put the cushions on the sofa of like how I like them.
Yep.
And then maybe do them how you like them. And then we can kind of decide what we like best.
You can put in the comments which one you like better.
Yeah. Nice little wool blanket. And then we just couldn't fit it in the bag, but we've got this one as well. I like the pattern on this one.
Yeah.
I think the length of time that it's taken is proven that my choice was the best. So we've compromised, and by compromise, basically picked all the cushions that I liked. We've realised that we've got cushions to go on the 2 other chairs as well. So we've put the more colourful ones on the other chairs.
Yeah.
And then for now, we're just going to keep these more neutral ones on here. Even though they do still have a bit of colour in, but I like the fact that they kind of emulate the squares in the background as well and stuff. And I just think it keeps it.
I'm happy with them.
So we're going to move on to dressing the sideboard, and I've got a few things from Zara that we're going to put on there. We've got our vinyl here, and then I think a couple of other bits as well. But these are just some candlesticks that I got in Zara that I thought would show you. And then got the smaller one that comes with it. Ta-da! Of course, had to get the matching candles. And then this is going to go on the sideboard as well. Maybe pop the candles next to it and put the little neon diffuser on top of this. So I think that'll look nice.